Ram is delivering massive excitement to high-performance truck enthusiasts by introducing a comprehensive suite of factory-backed direct connection enhancements tailored specifically for the modern Ram 1500 Rumblebee family. Moving beyond piecemeal accessories, the manufacturer has engineered holistic performance ecosystems that elevate power output, sharpen dynamic handling, and deepen acoustic presence while preserving full factory backing. This factory performance initiative spans the entire Rumblebee catalog, encompassing the standard Rumblebee, the Rumblebee 392, the 392 Track Pack, and the flagship Rumblebee SRT, ensuring customized upgrade paths for every powertrain configuration. The most monumental headline centers on brand new direct connection supercharger systems. Engineering targets push output past 600 horsepower for the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 Rumblebee, over 700 horsepower for the Rumblebee 392 and 392 Track Pack variants, and an astonishing 900-plus horsepower for the elite Rumblebee SRT. This gives owners a streamlined, factory-engineered route to staggering performance thresholds without needing to mix and match third-party aftermarket components. Chassis dynamics receive an equally substantial overhaul. A dedicated suspension collaboration with Ridetech drops the truck's ride height for a menacing stance, while integrating HQ Series monotube coilovers featuring 24-way adjustable damping. This setup is tuned to drastically curtail body roll during aggressive cornering, while granting drivers the adaptability to dial in comfortable street cruising or stiff track performance on demand. To match the elevated muscle, Direct Connection is rolling out custom Magnaflow catback exhaust systems tailored for every iteration of the Rumblebee. Fabricated from premium stainless steel, featuring 3-inch mandrel bent piping and branded 5-inch black chrome tips, these exhausts deliver a thunderous, authoritative acoustic profile without sacrificing long-term durability. Aesthetic customization also claims a prominent role in the catalog. Exclusive Direct Connection graphics bundles introduce color-coordinated accents that visually signify the performance tier of each individual truck, achieving a cohesive, factory-customized visual identity. Crucially, peace of mind remains intact through factory warranty protection. When these Direct Connection supercharger systems are installed by an ASE-certified Mopar technician, the vehicle's original 5-year or 60,000-mile limited powertrain warranty stays completely intact. Hardware rollouts for the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 models are slated to hit dealerships in the fourth quarter of 2026, while upgrades for the Rumblebee 3